Hello, I'm Alessandro and I live in Turin, Italy. I'm an aerospace engineering student at the Polytechnic University of Turin and I work with the student team Draft Polito on the development of an autonomous drone for the drone contest promoted by Leonardo company. We are using Valispace to efficiently and rapidly perform the system engineering and the concurrent design of our drone, from the feasibility studies to the tailored design, including integration, tests, verification, and validation. Everything is integrated in a single source of truth, and is the great advantages of using these powerful tools. To me, engineering is a means to achieve a better society where humans manage to coexist in a sustainable manner with the environment while maintaining the desire of pushing the boundaries that has always distinguishes our species. The invention and the development of computer and information technology have been one of the engineering projects that have brought greater benefit of the world because they allow the discovery and the development of many other technology, and the world and our lives would not be the same without them. In my opinion, the future of engineering must necessarily look at a more sustainable society because we can no longer afford choices that do not consider the effect of different levels and scales. Furthermore, engineering should propose a solution of the problem of our time. New and better technology must be developed and engineering can play a huge role in doing that. Both and neither. Both because some tasks can already be performed by robots today, neither because human ingenuity cannot be replaced by the robot yet. Thank you Valispace for supporting us, and ciao from Draft Polito.